In today's compilation, we'll be exploring some of Jamaica's most fascinating historic sites. From the remnants of the Henderson Landing in PortMore St Catherine, which is a significant site from our slavery era, to the majestic Ladiesfield Great House in St. Thomas. Each location holds a unique story that defies the conventional narratives we've been taught. So let's dive into these historic ruins and uncover the rich heritage of our island together. Today's amazing journey takes us to Port Henderson in PortMore. Port Henderson was the principal port for Spanish Town in the mid-18th century and was a vital part of the island's defense system. So, PortMore played a major role in the fortification of the island. Port Henderson was named after Colonel John Henderson of the militia, who set about developing the port. He built warehouses and shops, in addition to a natural freshwater spring that fed a bathhouse and health spa. Amazingly, after over 300 years, a lot of these buildings are still standing. So let's take a closer look at what Port Henderson was like in the 1700s. If you enjoy these videos like I enjoy making them, please give this video a thumbs up, as that is one of the easiest ways to support this channel. If you're interested in seeing dashcam footage of my journeys around Jamaica, please check out my other channel called Reggae Dashcam for footage of my journeys around the island. The link will be in the descriptions below. Thank you. The majority of modern PortMore is built on the large coastal property called PortMore Pen. The first English owners of the property were the Dawkins family. Initially, the property was called Salt Pond Pen and was sometimes referred to as Dawkins Pen during the second half of the 19th century. However, it was renamed PortMore Pen and then PortMore, in honor of ancestors of the Dawkins who had married into the family of the Earl of Portmore, who was from Scotland. PortMore, or PortMore Pen at the time, did not include areas such as Brayton, Elsha, Port Henderson, or Newlands. In the early 20th century, Colonel Dawkins sold many of his Jamaican properties, PortMore included. The United Fruit Company acquired the lands from Dawkins, but did not fully utilize all the property. Only the northern reaches were used. The majority remained a grassy, muddy wasteland. In the middle of the 20th century, the UFC sold the PortMore property to the Caymanas Estates. Unfortunately, much like the previous owners, the lands were not fully exploited, and as a result, much of PortMore remained idle. Consequently, a company was formed named PortMore Land Development Company, who then purchased the property from the Caymanas Estate. The intention was for the establishing of housing development. In the 1950s and 60s, Kingston ran out of suitable land space for development, so housing development was viewed as a response to the outcry for housing. The importance of Passage Fort to the English had started to decline. The earthquake of 1692, which devastated Port Royal, also had a knock-on effect on the port. It is said that the PortMore area needed a better port, for the harbour was being clogged with silt brought down from the Ryacoba River. This problem was such that mooring space could no longer be identified. For this reason, in the mid-1700s, a new town was established, approximately 3 miles from Passage Fort. The new port was first named New Brighton, but was eventually changed to Port Henderson, which was named after the owner, Colonel John Henderson. Yo guys, this is one of the structures. This is the first one to realize a stone this make out of peeps. Not your average brick or nothing like that. This was built before the slavery era. Alright, and there's another building up there because there's actually Fort 1, I think, something like that, up there. But I'm not gonna get a chance to go up in the hillside. Alright. Yeah man, I'm not sure what this was peeps, but normally when they came. Blessing, no, Elite Jamaica. Yeah, man. For real. Check out the channel, yeah. Blessings. Yeah. Easy me so. Now this is a very large one. I'm showing now like. Yeah guys, so go here. First let me see downstairs. There's another structure up there guys. Not sure what that is. That seems to have been a part of the fort. I'm not gonna get a chance to go up there. Then you have this part. But these places seems to have been overrun, where persons actually seem to be residing in these buildings. As you know, housing stay in Jamaica, I've been out here about the homeless. We're not really count on them having actually occupied these buildings. You know, quite it's not nice when they not live nowhere. So this is the inside guys. You know, look like board down there. Some I really like to see the type of board that they actually used in these buildings. Yeah. So let me take one picture. Yeah, peeps. So guys, remember you can always subscribe to Elite Jamaica if you haven't done so already. Alright, and remember to like the video and share the video. That helps the channel tremendously. Very large building this is, yeah? You can see that there was actually a doorway there. So these buildings are actually left standing. The persons passed here on a daily basis, but then I really realize the amount of history that's here, you know. I move on to the next building. Alright people, so as I said, there is a fort up top, but because of these, what you call them, the cactus and all of them, I'm not going to get a chance to go up there, so guys, we can't promise them that, alright? Yeah, so I'm gonna follow me. This is where we're at. And I'm showing you the seat too. There's another building over there also, you know. And this is not actually the last building, because the other few that's left, persons actually, those are actually being resided in, and I don't really want to fling people yard. If you don't understand what I mean by that, you know I'm not lucky with that something there. You know, if you got so far in the video, type Port Henderson guys. Alright. So this is one of the other buildings. Seems like this was a chapel due to the fact that the doorway is an arch. Windows. So as I said, the rest of these buildings have been occupied. So I'm just doing a quick clip that these buildings are actually occupied. So I'm not gonna impede on people's privacy, alright? Yeah man. There's another building up top. So I'll try to reach up there. Now follow me.
I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. We're searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just stare 'cause the flames will
Yeah guys, this is one of the forts. And remember the name of the forts? Come closer so you can get my audio. I don't remember the name of the forts guys, but this is one of the forts. I'm not telling you it, I type it on screen as soon as I edit. So, gonna follow me. This was the fort, guys. You know? This was actually the fort. You can reach? Yeah, peeps. This was the fort. If you notice, you have the brick back there. Yeah. You have piece more up there, so where the bush them grow over. You have brick inside there. That's over there, over the scheme, peeps. Things are moving, I feel like snake down there. Iguana or something. Alright. Guys, check this view out. Very beautiful view. I'm majority in closer. You see that? Sure wanna go all the way to Port Royal. You see that? Yeah, man. I still can zoom in more too, you know. Yeah. That's a beautiful view. So if you're watching and you're from the parish of St Catherine, especially in PortMore, just type that in the comment section below. Type PortMore in the comment section below. If it's Next, we move on to the Golden Grove Great House and our stable, which was built in 1763, making it 260 years old at the time of filming this video. The Golden Grove Great House was the main building for the Golden Grove plantation. However, sometime during the 1800s, the whole area was abandoned due to flooding from the Plantain Garden River that regularly left the area under floodwaters. The land was then considered only suitable for farming, which has continued to this day. Yeah guys, so we are at the moment in Golden Grove, St. Thomas. I don't know what Portland I go, but I see something where I just have to show you this guys, because I actually cuss God for about that building because him tell me say it there, I'm search out the whole of Golden Grove, couldn't find this building, and just driving past, we found it. Let me show you all this guys. Now this is part of it. I'm going to show you the larger side, which is really amazing. I'm going to show you the other side, which is a great house. I'm showing a little glimpse side. That's it over there guys, similar to the Idol estate. Here guys, so this is the inside. This seems to be family, bless up. You're the person in control, right? Alright. The building over there, so what is the name of the building? Huh? Hostel. Golden Grove Hostel. Huh?
Sugar Estate Hostel.
Sugar Estate Hostel. Alright.
Spell that again?
What was the significance of this building in regards to slavery?
What is it?
It was a stable where you keep like horses and stuff like that. Okay, this. Okay, so this building was a stable. I thought it was a cooking area. Okay. Alright guys, so this was a stable over here. Alright.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. Okay, fertilizer school. And what was that building over there? All bookkeepers. Okay, okay, thank you for that information. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Well, cut out that shit. I don't want to call them name on camera. You understand? We don't want to call them name on camera. Okay. So cut out that. We cut out that. Don't worry about it. Alright. So the next house up on the hill. It has some. Yeah. Manager's house. Okay, okay. Yeah, I got feel I'm still tower down hill. Yes. So is there a possibility we can get a look under the house here? Okay. We go up Stokes Hall. We just come from Stokes Hall. We just come from Stokes Hall. Yes, we go up there.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Stokes Hall was the first slave house in Jamaica.
You have an idea why they call it Duffy House? No, really. But this not they didn't go there about it.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Maybe they get haunting up there.
Yeah,
You don't know that?
Sure.
Most level on
Alright.
Me could get a look on this now.
Which part more to there?
A golden dawn.
No, I didn't get. We never get to do that.
Opposite the Adventist church.
Okay.
Yes, another man.
Alright.
A lot of sites around here. We can't.
See the church here and it goes right.
Okay.
Golden
Godfrey, we have to go find that one day. No?
Them again?
dawn, Moses, Jackson, Moses. Yeah, better.
Yeah, golden.
Golden Grove, Mosley.
Down.
Golden down.
Golden Downs.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let me tell you about up here. When you go to the Adventist church,
Yeah.
just there, church, I'm going right.
Okay. Okay.
Right at big one go tree.
Okay.
Yeah.
We have to do that next year because Portland we head to.
That a journey we have to do.
You can up there in your home, so you can speak with your sin.
Okay. Really, give thanks, man. Me go look for this.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, guys, this is really fascinating. Look at this, guys. This is something that we have missed so long, and we find it today. A great house in perfect working order. We call them great house, but you know,
Cooking area there, when we
Yeah.
figure out.
the cooking area. No, this is the modern cooking area. Well, it could be, you know,
Yeah, man.
but it's just an archway if you go through, you know.
Just an archway forgot you.
Yeah, more time them have carriage your commander, because you saw the cover, you know.
You're right.
As you notice,
Could
guys,
But me, I look on it and I look on the design still.
like under them place, Godfrey.
Oh, still up here.
Yeah, man, the whole place is cover, man.
Well, you know, I be able to with book product and them weird.
Yeah, guys. Somebody walk upstairs. You hear that?
Yeah, man, someone I do up here.
Hey guys, this is a rather large building we're under, guys. Really magnificent construction. Huh? Yeah, guys, this is the house, guys. As I said, it was a hostel where a person stayed, but this is a rather large find, guys. There's a little view up inside. We're not really go inside because it's been occupied. Yeah, peeps. Sorry about that. It's been occupied, guys. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, so up here is the top where there would have been a board floor here, guys. You know, the carriages that came under here, We go all the way through there to let our persons. Yeah. But you teach me something one time. Carriage go under the house. Yeah.
Yes. You know, see the PortMore colonies?
The arch.
Yeah.
Yeah, them come from the side, they come out and can go under from so. Them build it.
Come through there.
Yeah, and them let them off.
And they would never be seen if they don't want anyone.
Because it was a hostel.
Hey, listen.
It was a hostel.
What?
It was a hostel.
It was a hostel?
Yes, for the
what?
bookkeepers.
For who?
For the bookkeepers of the
So how
plantation.
many bookkeepers were there? 'Cause this was
And
a
that was
huge
the what you call it, where you keep animal?
barn.
No, not barn.
I only know it was a barn.
Stable.
Stable.
Yeah. Finally, we were back on the road to Portland. We got pulled over by the police again, but as usual, we had no issues. The police officers in Portland are polite and very friendly. At this police stop, I also saw the Portland gates from St. Thomas side for the first time. If you're interested in seeing dashcam footage of my journeys across Jamaica, please subscribe to Reggae Dashcam. Your support is very much appreciated. The See Me No More Gully in Portland is where the Mulatto River runs underneath the main road. It is so named because whenever there are accidents that result in a vehicle going off the road and into the gully, that would most likely be the end of that vehicle. It would never be seen no more. Arriving in Portland and finally on the hunt for the abandoned military barracks, we found the site being swallowed by the surrounding jungle just off a narrow beach where the shallow river meets the sea. See me no more gully, guys. God, for me find them. Right here. I'm not sure what this part was, but we're gonna find out. Whoa, guys. Godfrey, that site and I go down till 7. Pat, don't follow me, please. We have to go down flat.
Yeah.
We have to go, sir. Go listen, man. Give Grace a pat. Building, I don't get building.
Down there, the building that is.
This is the front of the fort, where they look over sea. Well,
It's not easy for you, mom.
you test it first month. Yeah, guys, we're down in a See More. See Me No More Gully. This is one of the buildings, guys. This is one of the buildings right here. And this was an old British fort. That's a part of the building right here, guys. Alright, so we'll go down further. Stop me now, sir. Yeah. That's why I'm not cuss bad with her. Up in the door. Use the phone for see. A tree. A tree. Watch it. Guys, another piece of the building, guys. Oh, God, remember to snake that Portland now. I remind them too. But don't stand up one place too long, yeah? Never that film. Yeah, guys, this are the building. I know some bush there. But this are the building, guys, and this building is older than the 16th century, as you can see from the construction. We don't have no question to ask about that. Eh? May I go inside, you know?
Yeah.
You go inside, Professor?
Yeah, but bro,
Eh?
my goodness, this look like it's a farmer. Water wheel, you know, so deep for it.
Oh, in the set there?
You know, just say water wheel there. Don't you know, so it look. How does it look to you? A plastic there.
Alright, guys, let me show you all that.
Come up here so I look down.
I have a picture with this too, you know. Guys, I'm gonna show you all some picture of this place. Let me get before me even.
I want you all to
Come
be
here.
careful up there, okay? Careful there, so don't hold that stone the way I pop up. Come out, yeah, don't make that move. Make it
Fuck.
stay as out. So don't, if I not...
And then I build with mortar, you know.
No, put on.
Guys, and I look there.
Yeah.
But these rocks, guys, them rock here, them a shake. Let's see. Bumble thing, I come down here. No, the rock move all over, man. Me dry it out.
Tell us enough here. Sorry.
Alright, watch this. I see me can see it from down there. Watch ya. Got for one swamp down here, son.
No!
Alligator down here, no?
Yeah, you should be careful up there.
That's the river down there.
Yeah.
That's the river.
And this I come from out of Seminole Gully.
Yeah.
Bro. The river there come from up in our gully, Seminole Gully. Yeah.
Go see if we
down
find the
there,
other
so
structure. No man, road there,
that's
sir.
far.
We can't walk here, sir.
So we have to go back to and go around too.
So this is the water wheel.
Yeah. I'm building the planet too.
We don't want to show them, we have to go around from the front and show them.
Yeah.
But if we look down here, sir, first.
Good, brother.
More building around there. This is the big building. Yeah, guys. So, I try to find the rest of the structure. Portland. The parish of St. Portland.
Portland. Yeah, and that's where we're going, building over there.
Over there, sir.
Yeah.
Guys, more building.
There was a lot of
With my rug.
weed round here and we not none.
No weed.
That look unbalanced.
Where the building there? Over there, sir?
Yeah.
Or where reach over there?
I have to go even build a piece of tobacco stick. Like, how forward same way in
Yeah.
front, yeah. Them love them all Asian tobacco. And when you see whistle and drop out, something to go in it. These are the people going over there. Yeah. That's my brother.
Yes, man.
Great man, archaeologist, you know?
Yes, man.
Bird
Come true.
archaeologist out of
Don't stay one place too long. Mind something can look in your foot.
So we know
Wow. Guys, we know we're out of civilization now. Cue spooky music. Yeah, peeps.
We have not done. We have
What is we find? These buildings are old, guys. Them buildings are older than the history we get taught. Look on these guys. We don't really find buildings with them kind of construction where they don't use no more time. You see me?
yeah.
These buildings are rather old and a real African construction this.
Look on your left hand.
Snake?
Bro, no disrespect.
Oh,
Look
God,
on your
let me
left
see
hand.
it.
No, the left hand.
Brick.
That's what's patch.
Brick.
Patch.
And patch it out.
Colonial. You know when they come find these things, they patch that. That is a patch. No, they would have built a building like this with just stone. Nothing, sir. My God, how you find? Oh, yeah, it's going down.
Guys, see the building here, peeps.
My people, they see me no more stuff.
This look like our... Bro, this look like our chapel there, so you know.
Chapel?
One British chapel. Look on the building on this. Look up there, so. See it, Bill?
Oh, man.
Sure.
I understand now.
Them build them thing that, but no on a chapel, you know? Gun hole, yeah? Look here. Gun hole, bro. Again, yes, pass it from this.
Something again, drop. Alright.
Gun hole, you know? So we have gun hole up here, sir?
One more. Yeah,
Yeah,
look
shooting
out,
hole.
look out.
Yes.
Look out, look out.
We call them gun hole because shoot and shoot through them, you know?
Yeah, look out.
We have out to the sea also. Hey guys, more gun holes. No, one more down here now. There guys, another arch. Doesn't look safe. That's the sea out there guys. That's the sea right out here. Yeah? Two-story. That's another piece of wall right there guys. Water wheel was up there. Up at top? Yeah, look like them have a second floor up top with them because the board then going to the second floor. Yeah, them have a second floor for you.
Yeah, pretty that.
Yeah. Let's see if we find something else.
True. You want to build a split, bro.
Oh, that man said we'd sell out a road, you know. Down a liquor shop or pass. Yeah. Guys, one more over there, sir.
Where?
Over there, sir.
You see it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, go over there.
Mm-hmm. Come in, God's car. Come here, I'll get her down your son.
Yeah.
No, I'm not building, you know.
I'm a building.
No. Trust down your son, Godfrey.
I'm not with a poor man. I water gully this. And once you see the water gully, remember they always have building right on the water edge there.
Yeah, but I don't trust alligator go down here, sir.
So this purpose.
Because a river there and salt water there, you know.
The purpose of bro G to down here, sir.
Water.
Water.
This was a fort and this protect the water wheel. The water thing up there because it was a really big water wheel. You notice?
Yes,
We are go back up there and go try go inside. You know.
Can't come out and so I'm not doing that to walk away. No disrespect.
I'm a jump.
Yeah.
Sickness down here, sir. Big man thing that thing really want. You want bush, you know. I love bush, but I don't really feel it's straight too far in the bush. I don't really my parish, I don't know the parish like that. I don't know what they over here, is it? Yeah, they want to protect we. But we there in the alligator swamp. That's all guys. Down there. Yeah. Alright, no more no down here no. No, just them two and a piece of column there. Up at the top one, the rest of them down in the flat. I'll go back up top. Guys, could you see how I look? Tired. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah guys, now I'm gonna show you the water wheel I promised to show you all. Yeah, let me see if I can go. Oh, I can't go through your side again guys. But it's down there so it's really messed up, we can't go through peeps. Yeah, but we can't go through. Be a tree route down there. One little hole there where you could have got through?
Yeah.
You can't go through there.
But look now.
You can go up on the top and look down there?
Yeah, that is it. That's what I have to.
Yeah, sit down in there? Not for.
We find part of the aqueduct. Alex,
Okay?
we find part of the aqueduct. To the water, we'll come back to the water wheel.
Are the water wheel listen?
Yeah.
Big. Oh, this is aqueduct.
Yeah. So this aqueduct, this has come from somewhere.
Hold on, before you even do that test. I'm not dropping this and dropping on the water wheel, is it?
Yeah, I understand, yeah.
I want to put the person on there, no God.
Right.
The person firm now. Guys, we're standing on what looks like an aqueduct. And the water wheel under down there so.
Yeah.
Right now I feel like I'm not supposed to go down there. Sir. You can see?
Yeah. Put the aqueduct there down there. You see that? Push over your camera like that. And you're seeing better, you know? Flicking down. See that are the water wheel. Aye. So this way on top of the aqueduct. Where we lead back down to the water wheel, cause when you see this design, you see it's an aqueduct.
Aqueduct.
We can't where it a
What no man? Water wheel? Pump water.
Oh, and lead it up. Okay.
You know bring water go sea, you know. Yeah, you know bring water go river. You bring it from the river.
Never to smoke without fire. Come on, take your time, man. Step down, let's go.
Interesting. Really goddamn interesting. I go down but I'm gonna look same way, you know. No, that's why I go down the bottom. Yeah guys, right. Go further down, go see if I can see better. Beachside peeps. And there's no saltwater crocodile around. Yeah guys, I think I did one alligator. So this are the river peeps. And there's another column right here. Going up in the river. One column, yeah? And this me that's me not trust, is it? Yeah, alligator win of them things, but I'm not seeing none still. Column up here, sir.
Yeah, this was a wall, Alex.
Yeah. See wall?
Yeah, this was a wall.
Part of the fort again. Yeah guys. See? Hold on. Godfrey.
Yeah.
Come in. Fuck.
Alright, walk down.
Yeah, walk down the song.
Alright. I have some that said a surface that look like building in it, but it's like a wall them built to wall back the mountain, to wall back the hillside.
Fortification wall, Godfrey.
Yeah.
It's a fort there, that's why them so thick.
Respect.
And at the same time serve an next purpose too, you know.
See the rest of
Wall
wall
back the
down
river.
so look how we stand up. A wall them
This
have rock down half a year.
This wall guys,
Yeah.
our fall down from up there.
Yeah.
You know?
So, that is it.
See how I think they would look at up there, Godfrey.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
I see a building?
Yeah, man. I see a building.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah guys.
Some people, honestly, they tried worthwhile treading, you know? Worthwhile treading when I waste no step.
One of my best in a long while.
Yeah, man. Because, you know, tell no lie, even the building them where we captured before. You know? All of those history there. The greatness, my brother. Tell me people.
Guys, out at sea. And I'm like a mangrove here with alligator and nice, you know. Water, rot, is it?
Yeah. I love that expedition there. Just to come, put on the flag and go on.
Hey guys, so We're up on the pilot main road, heading up to a place called Hardsheal, where the plantation house is located. Alright, so yeah, man, that way I do. Yeah, we soon reach. So this building, guys, was owned by, the first owner was J. Gabidan. That's all the information we're finding about that person. And then it was passed on to Mr. William Carter. And that was in 1817. Alright. After he died, it was handed over to attorneys. Attorneys up until 1839, when it went back under his wife's name. Now, the funny thing about this, this lady did marry to Mr. Gabidan, and then she married to Mr. Carter. You see it? So, I'm not sure. It seems she was the original owner, guys. Alright? Yeah, man. So, that's one way. Yeah, and Mr. Carter and his wife, they were also the owners of the Essex plantation up in Bath. Alright? Yeah, man. That's just a side note right there. So, now follow me. So, come here. Yeah, get the water.
Yeah, man. So this should be Mr. Carter's residence.
Mr. Carter's residence, yeah. I could see it first if the residents are for, like, because all them gate posts over there.
No,
I want to see if the residents are for it works out. Yeah, man. Because that's the property, we know the property under our name, is it? Not sure what is on the property for the Great House. Yeah. Then it would be the resident of Mr. Carter. Mr. Gabidan first, and then Mr. Carter.
fully grown coconut tree.
Fully grown jelly.
Jelly, full.
Yeah, man.
Beef, more sweet, yeah?
Steer! 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 Yeah, I'm bad enough, Kenneth. Is it? Mongrel not afraid of mongrel?
I'm not afraid of mongrel, brother.
Oh.
Afraid of dog.
Okay. Then say dog no bite dog.
It's a lion not afraid of dog.
Alright. This is the road leading up to the Great House. Alright, so I feel like we sure so we find our name. I don't know what kind of Great House we find. If it's a board structure or a concrete structure, to me I feel it's a board structure. I feel it's a board structure because when I turn them I see something like lock up on them thing there, so yeah. Yeah guys, this is an almond tree. And this one very large. Big. Green lizard? Gee, peeps, look at that guys.
Right.
Yeah, me can't go right up, I'm not go right up. Look at guys. You see that? Yeah man, in that. Yeah guys, so we are on our way up to the Great House. Yeah man.
Catch him in, man. Come in, catch him in.
A bad donkey, no?
Yeah, man. Catch him, man. No, come on, catch him. Yeah, man.
Yeah, I catch him. Peeps, a bad donkey in back way up, you know. I'm the behind one post. Because I'm not making kick me.
You catch him?
Hey, Bill. Deal with him. So, guys, this is the name of the plantation, the correct name. Hardsheal. So, persons pronounce it as Hardsheal, but it's Hardsheal. Alright, so we are at the gate of the Great House, guys. Me see it. I'm not showing it. Can I tie the donkey? So, guys, as you notice, piece of construction up there. It's a piece of construction behind you, can I? Yeah, man. It's a lovely view over there. We're finally at the Great House location, guys. But I have to show you this. I know I always have shown them view here. Look at the views that these people always have, guys, where them live. And we oversee that we look way out of sea, you know, and can know that their plantation was over there. Alright, so it's a beautiful surrounding. Very beautiful surrounding. I'm showing the house now. So we found a 400-year-old Great House. Alright, and this house, it seems to have a very long story behind it. It was owned by the female as we suspected, you know. Here we get information. And as you notice, she actually owned the place. She put her first husband name on the will. He died. When she remarried, she put her second husband name on the will. That was Mr. Carter, Mr. William Carter, right?
Yeah.
Mr. William Carter, who was her second husband. Alright. After he died, she handed it over to the lawyers. And it was under control of the lawyers for almost 15 years until it went back under her name. If you notice, even here, guys, we have stones. This was built on spot where they brought the stones here, broke them to build the walls for this house. So this house seems to really have a story behind it. Then we can notice even on this house that up in modern days, persons had refurbished a part of it for modern living. But we still have the 400-year-old construction there, and we still see one little piece of modern construction. So with no further ado, guys, when you follow me, I'm going to show you that. I'll show you one breadfruit first. This is a breadfruit.
What type of breadfruit, sir? You have two type of breadfruit.
I know maca breadfruit.
Yeah, maca. Yeah, think it. And you have clear skin.
Then this is the one.
That which one?
The one.
It's a clear skin.
From the entrance, stonework. And it seems that we have found, like, this is our second, I think this is a German great house. Oh yeah, the name, as I told you guys, it's not Hardsheal, it's Hardsheal, Ardsheel, you know. So for persons in Wilmington and surrounding areas who call this place Hardsheal, it's not Hardsheal, it's Hardsheal. Alright, so we have the original entrance, original construction, original stonework. We have the original wall over here. We've got the original stone wall over here. You know. What's still there, nothing? You hear them?
These,
Oh, we have the original stone wall here, guys. Checking it. Normally people save them, you know, and I put them in the building. No?
Flintstone and call them.
Yes. We have the original construction. Then we have a piece of modern construction. Where this house was actually refurbished. If you notice, we have tile in this. And you know, Mr. Gabidan Carter never did use tile in our bathroom. You know? Here we have original foundation. Yeah, man. Backpacking Simon, you need to come here. We have original foundation here, guys. No, inside here, I'm not sure. Can you feel like it's a safe walk?
Yeah, man, just put on your foot if you like. You're not go too far, man.
Yeah, guys, so in here we have original construction. And yo, this nice, you know, Kenneth?
Yeah.
Just give me a full 360. Yeah, guys. So, yeah, peeps, this is the building. Great House building, guys, the original construction of the Great House building. A piece of wall at the middle? Yeah. In this one? Where there? Go across, man. A house, you know. I don't think they have no toilet, you know. The only thing that's gonna make one wall, you know. Yeah, guys, that's the original construction. It's the original construction of the house. Guys, this one is rather nice because we have two era of building construction here. Yeah, man. 400-year-old peeps. This is a back porch or a back balcony. Oh, this would be the front of the house, Kenneth. You see me tell you about the red veranda again? Me kind of convinced that this was a German slave master, the lady. Actually come from Germany. This would have been the entrance. Then we have around here. Here guys, that is the newer part of construction that's there. I'm not sure if it's modern or if they built it like that from modern, but to me it looked like it built modern, like it was recently constructed in the 19th century. Yeah guys. I carry Jesus. Donkey.
Jesus transport.
Oh.
Right. Jesus transport, this is Jesus transport what go on.
Bad donkey, no cannot lower donkey.
No man, but Jesus transport.
Jesus on a ship, man. I mean, you can't carry a ship.
You don't think so?
So, size me up, so. Virgin, stop run me down, no? Yeah. Yeah.
You look so violent. I want to show you something.
Yeah, I want to see something around about the donkey here. Don't make him get him back foot, you know. Yeah, guys. Kenneth, come here. Donkey, me no want back me up here. So me tell you, a ramp in the look, you know. So me tell you, say, more back me up. Yeah, man, him kick you off this there, you know. No, I'm good.
No, you.
Call him. Hold him, no?
Come, Jenny.
Hold him, no, Kenneth. You hold him up?
Come, Jenny. Come.
You're afraid him kick you off this, so?
I'm not putting this stick.
Yeah, guys, so this is the where the balcony came around. You notice the balcony comes all the way around here, and that's another part of the building right there. You have some broken down construction here, old construction. Yeah, peeps. So found this one, the Hardsheal Great House up in Wilmington. This is another part of it. Now we have like, there was something else here that fell down and maybe at the top of the wall. It seems like this building went all the way up, you know, and it fell. Well, we can see from around this still say go high, you know. So I'm gonna show you guys down here. Because there is a wall right here. That's the wall right there. The barrier wall that was built with the older construction. Yeah, man, I fall. That was built with the older construction, guys, as you noticed. And come around. Seems there was another room or a lookout point or something right here, but it's broken down. Posh place, don't look like a female design too, don't?
Woman.
Yeah, guys, that's the back of the house.
This the back or the front?
The front.
Front, yes, the front.
Yeah, man, at the front, we through the entrance. Yeah, this was a garden for sure. And we still have flowers.
You know, say your woman design it. No, me no. I see some mother with a design here.
It's the same mother with a design.
Yeah, man. My mother is a designer. Flowers.
It look feminine for you.
It look feminine. It's a woman designer.
So this is the, and if you notice, we have even more construction wall down there. Not sure what was there. However, with these buildings, guys, we realize there's always some outer buildings along with them, you know. Here, guys. So information will be on screen about the owners of this property, the Hardsheal Great House Mansion, or the Hardsheal Manor for that matter.
Like a Christmas tree, man.
Yeah, man, I wanted the Christmas tree thing about it grew up. Nice, you know.
So you imagine, sit down on the balcony and look on your thing, man.
Easy, man.
This is the entrance.
Yeah, another entrance out in the farm and the coconut.
The other side.
So the new side. The family come up straight up in the 19th century, you know. You know, see them build them, renovate this, you know. You see me? Yeah, man. Yeah, guys, this is another piece of construction right here. More construction. So this is really actually broke the stones to build the wall. Yeah, man. Yeah, guys, so we're gonna show you guys the other building right out front. Yeah, follow me. The cloth, them refurbish the building.
The house.
Yeah, because me notice say you have the older construction.
They refurbish it and the next, the younger kids, them they
come and refurbish again.
Yeah.
Oh, so 3 generation.
Yeah.
Because the house is 400 years old, you know.
Oh, yeah, so man.
Yes, man.
Them
tree, yeah. And an almond, you know, say almond that?
Almond?
The Filipino almond, you know.
It's a different species of almond.
If you cut it out,
no, they know say name Barrington, they even know that. Barrington is
if you cut it out,
right on it.
yeah, if you cut it out, it's supposed to find one like a nutty night.
Yes.
Yeah.
Man.
The people Barringtonian.
Yeah, there's a teak.
Tiki.
Teak.
And this is still almond too.
No
Well,
man, teak I want on a tough tree I want.
What beer?
I think that toughest tree this, you know.
something,
When they call it teak, you know, man.
Yeah.
Okay.
They use it like board, you know, man.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, man, it's dangerous.
But the one up there is still out. I see a documentary
Yeah.
where them harvest them.
Oh.
And them,
Okay.
yo, you know them documentary where them in a like Bolivia and them place there and them have
them
life
there,
hard and them thing there.
Oh, seeing.
But in the Philippines and them harvest to make a living, is it?
Okay.
Welcome y'all. Today we're in a community called Ladiesfield. Where Ladiesfield again, Kenneth?
No.
We not reach a Ladiesfield yet?
No,
Where would they know?
They're bad.
Okay, guys. Today we are going to a community called Ladiesfield. We are now in Bath. We are walking up on, what are you name
Castle
again?
Hill.
We are walking up on Castle Hill. Yeah, man, so Kenneth the peeps.
Yeah, man, bless up.
I know one spirit may attack you, is it? Not yet. Alright, so we're walking up on Castle Hill, going in search of the Ladiesfield plantation in the community of Ladiesfield. Now, Ladiesfield is a community that is known for, well, it's known for being a community, yeah? We're going to be searching for Mr. Philip Forsyth's plantation, that is the Ladiesfield Slavery Plantation. And Mr. Philip Forsyth Just the very same king. We not know nothing about him. Nobody know nothing about him for that matter. History just have him name and that he was born in England. He came here, he lived in Bath. He owned the Ladiesfield plantation and the Barking Lodge plantation. And he was buried in Ladiesfield. So we are going to Mr. Forsyth here today to see what we can find out. Because, yeah, I'm going to follow me. I could do it. Done. Yeah, we can see what I want.
Ready?
Yeah, guys, so another thing is that in 1679, when Philip Forsyth passed, it was handed over to unknown attorneys for 4 consecutive periods, straight up until 1817, when, get this, it was handed down to a William Forsyth, which historic papers said is not known to have been a relative of Philip Forsyth. But I feel like I'm son because he was born in Dumfries and I just him father the dead and buried. And it's just could have been too much of a coincidence. Let me know what y'all think. I feel like I'm son still. Yeah man, so I could do it. Follow me. I could see what it look like. Hold on, I'm not going through the wallet. Now go around the side and go show them the corner. Guys, let me show y'all around here first. So this is the side of the building. And you notice we find a great find. This is one of our biggest find. Guys, let me know if you think I broke the record. Alright? Yeah man. Yeah guys, let me know if we break a record. If y'all think we broke that record as to our largest find. As in plantation houses. When you see how in the big, we're not going there yet. Alright? So, me still, you know how Elite Jamaica is. We still have to shout out Matthew. And we still have to shout out Moko because I think this is where Matthew had came. Yeah man, but y'all had requested this video. And yeah man, with all the building now, but we approach it from a different angle still. Yeah man. I try to make it look like a different, you know? Wow! Kenneth, how you bring me come man? I slavery, you bring me come back, you know? Guys, me I go stop film and me I go make Kenneth alone film and me just go sit down. Right now I'm so excited. Me not even turn the camera on this, so I turn it back out here. So guys, we broke the record. We not even about to answer the question there. We look here. We have one more, you know? Down there, you know? Jesus Christ. Look guys. We're gonna explore all of that. Wow! Yo! Jano? Guys, I had to come on camera for this. Like, seriously?
Yeah man.
As me I saying, anybody want a chain? Wanna tell me? It's you know, this are the quarter farms upon it. Yeah. This is my order of distinction. Because them don't want to give me none, so I get one for myself. But if anybody want that chain, you tell me. I send it to you free of cost. The only thing you have to do, take a picture of it, send it, come give me. And if you want Elite Jamaica merch to buy, let me know in the comment section down below. Guys, this, oh gee, come here, friend. Come here, follow. Want a dog bite you? Yeah, come right up on me there.
Yeah.
Come right up on me there, and then I turn around with me and catch the back of the building. Catch the stretch of the building go down. You see that, guys? You see how that building is big? You see that? You don't see that? I don't think you see that. We are showing you. Look here. You follow me. Oh, I'm not showing you around this first. You guys are excited. You don't follow me. Well, follow me. So guys, on behalf of Elite Jamaica, I proclaim this to be our largest find in the history of vlogging. Our largest find. What, look at it. You see that, guys? Yo! And guess what? I have to touch it. Hey, peeps, y'all remember one time when we go up on the site them, let me see who I watch long time. You remember one time I go up on the site them and I see the building them, I wouldn't touch the building them, I'm scared to touch the building them because they're so old and it's slavery and people tell me about duppy and all of that. Guys, that one here. But guys, on a serious note, this is our greatest find. And shout out to Kenneth, shout out to everyone who actually gave us information about this site.
Yeah, man. Puss.
Puss.
Yeah,
Shout
man.
out to
Puss
Puss.
from Sunhill, man. Water Valley. General.
Anybody named Pussy, I have to watch them. You
No,
know?
man. Puss. Ryden, I name, man. Ryden, man.
Shout out to Ryden.
Yeah, man.
Big
From
up.
Water Valley.
Because this is our largest find so far. Guys, if you don't agree, because we know some people not going to agree because they might remember about Gabran Hall. I'm showing a clip of Gabran Hall on the screen, but we know some not remember about Gabran Hall. But if you all agree that this is our greatest find, as in construction, because taller than we, Gabran Hall never really had a taller than this big. Guys, this, you're going to find a psychiatric hospital for me. You continue to do this. Okay,
Yeah.
You see in time I go up there, so when you touch the button here, this, like so. Hold on, I'll take some picture from now, because I'm forget to know. Yeah guys, so honestly, I don't know where to go first. I don't know where to go first. If I go that side here, I'm if I go up the step. I show this little alleyway right here. I'm if I take the main entrance, I'm if I go down this way. I'm gonna go first. Alright, I'll go this first. Yeah guys, so whoa. Jesus, weird. Look here. Guys, let me look there. You see how far that gone down there, so? That's far, you know guys. That away down there, so. And so, guys, the place here, it have me excited. Like, you see, the places that we find that are in deep jungle, they're always nicer than the ones them were there in a society, in a civilization, because they're always bulldozed and break down for farming and all of that when they're out in a society. But this nice. This is huge. Let me see around here, so guys. Follow me. Whoa. Whoa. Can you talk to us up there?
Yeah.
Why?
You know.
They don't want to come.
No one coming.
Look there, guys. All around. All around, guys. It's just magnificent, yo. And then we have out here, having this room right here, guys. Down here, guys, this big. You sure, sir? Some more to come? There's some bush up.
Remember Gilchrist, you know?
Who name, sir?
And General will drop out, you know?
Oh,
More
okay.
Paulette and Gilchrist.
Oh,
We used to farm down on the bank, you know?
okay.
Real General.
True.
You know? Yeah, man.
Guys, it's another room. Oh, the back entrance, back exit. And that's another piece of the column. And then we have here. Okay, so we all come out of that place, okay? Alright, now my foot don't feel on way, yo.
Yeah. Let's take it home, Panny.
No. No, get no bad no rum. Yeah, get up from rum, I'm drink. Yeah, guys, so here's another room around here. another piece of the building right there. And then we have there, we'll go over another side of the building. Let's still show now. Inside, not where you see Kenneth, now, inside of the building. Alright, so come on. You see this house up? So guys, there is another, the major part of the building is up here guys. This is a small part we'll check out right now. So Kenneth go around this, so I'm going to go up the stairs. We'll look at the upper side. Wow. Up here nice guys, I have to lift up my shades. Kenneth, I hope you're so nice. Guys, take a look at this. Wow, you see this one I walk on the bridge over the arch, you know. I walk on above the arch. So this would be the entrance into this upstairs room right here. Because there would have been an upstairs room right here. You know, this would have been the entrance. At least we can see how the house set up, Kenneth. This is the arch right here, so. Would that be the entrance to come over into the room where above the ground floor down there, is it? So that's the ground floor, guys. Ground floor finish right there, so. You can notice. And then this is the top floor. You know, that's a door right there. You know. Yeah man, a window right here. And this is the arch that we actually walk across on. No, walk with them something. Yeah guys. And this is the rest of the building up here. More construction. This is our largest fine piece. Here's another piece of the construction. And you can see I did this. I did nice, lovely, decent construction. And you see this? Here one nice little all or something there up here. So I'm gonna go over that side here, go look again guys. What do you want here, so? And if you all notice, we're on the second floor, you know, because that's the first floor down there. Alright. Yeah man, look at the first floor down there. I'm ready for showing you that here guys. More than a house. Castle. Wow. Guys, you know see that? You know, look here. Where I'm gone? I'm gone now a whole one. Big crook lizard water going. Guys, you know see where Kenneth there? I want to see the building over there. So. One step there, so if I go downstairs now. Yeah. Our next piece of building out there, so guys. I'm going to show up here so first. This what you find the tank? Yeah guys, and you see how them cut them stone them neat? From afar when you see it, you think a block. Cut really neat. What that height? Alright.
I don't know.
You don't know?
What is?
You don't want that?
You not taste it?
Why? You taste it first, let me see.
Taste it too, man.
So taste it, let me see now.
What am I man?
Taste it.
What do you think?
I don't know. I give you 10 minutes. If you not drop them, I taste my one.
Orange, you know?
Yeah man, but if you not drop them, I taste my one. Guys, this is the tank, guys. This is the tank. Deep tank.
So Alex, what do you think down the one?
Eh? No, the house. Upstairs there, no. That are downstairs, no. You see? You see above them door the way you see them the mark they go across? That was the second floor, you know. You know realize? Okay. Then I see me go across the 4 year while I go across the arch and reach over in the room. The only thing is because them build the top floor out of board. No walk this, so Kenneth. You can't walk this in the people in the house, Virgin.
With my shoes?
You can't do that if you walk in the people in the house right there, so. Guys, this is nice, you know. You have to walk on the step, bro. You can't jump down in the people in the bedroom. You step around there, so. You take the step. You have visitor in the people in the house, so. All dirty slave master them. Still have to respect them. No matter who it may be in the garden yard, you have to respect them house, is it? Because we choose to come at them yard, huh? No, okay. Yeah, this is one of the steps. Yeah guys, this is one of the steps to come up here. So but another step I'm not talking about still. Go that way there. Yeah guys, so for this tour we're going downstairs. That's just, oh yeah, the tour guide. Hey, them have lovely step. Can you imagine when they made it new, Kenneth? When the house had it in a position, look the guys, that's one of the room. Party and party and party. And you know what them say about people them the glove. Party and woman. Guys, this is downstairs, guys. The building is big. This is our largest find. And it's confirmed. I'm not gonna wait for y'all to confirm it. That time me I confirm it. So this is our largest find. You see, Colbert Castle is out of this because Colbert Castle is well kept by the Heritage Society. Yeah man, that one in a bush. This is a large find. Largest find on Elite Jamaica so far. Alright. Yeah man. And the worst thing is that this man is not known. We don't know nothing about the man more than his name. And that...
You don't have a history about this man?
No. Not me. Nobody have no history about him. It come like the same like the Colbert Castle when nobody don't know who built it.
So you kinda believe when I say about the slave trade, something in that area?
Yeah. We think it was just a one-away man, a buy and sell slave. Yeah. Yeah guys, so you see how the building is big.
It was no ordinary man this?
No, this couldn't be ordinary man, or a group of people then. We up in the bush. Because I know how to find them, Kenneth. Look at the hole behind this. Look behind this.
Yeah.
Over behind it.
That is a pot of gold.
No, no gold, Kenneth. I don't know if you sell gold, you know.
No, I see mango sword.
Oh, that's good. Just stone roll around up underneath there. Watch it now. Yes, now watch it.
So this
oven.
Oh. Okay.
Kitchen this way now, guys.
Oh.
You know the living room where them have the fireplace, where them burn a little fire to keep you warm.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is it, guys. So now we'll come down here and find the next one right here also. You know. So this was a warm in this is the living room, you know, Kenneth?
Yeah.
All of the warming going here, so. Guys, you see up underneath this, sir? I don't know what up there. Y'all can tell me. Alright, so this is our next place again where them just...
Oh, the hole them are probably just smoke go through.
Up here, so up top? Them have hole up there too?
So one hole is similar to the one you show me.
Yeah, but them now go make a chimney still. Them just build a hole for the smoke come out. Alright, so I know who did one up here. Kenneth, the man that did one up here? Yeah. I want to survey them same way. You see them something here? Guys, you see these? These are what they put on the road when they must survey the place. And back then, in them days, they do it. We can show you a couple of them. I'll show you what guys won in Mount Lebanon. So this now have on the stamp on top of it yet. None of them now have on the stamp on top of it. You understand? So they place these as survey markers with the gold stamp or the silver stamp or whatever they put on top of it with the measurement on it. Alright, so one of them people do that sort of thing. You know? Kenneth, could that be a business place, no, Kenneth? Could that be a business place? Yeah. Just somewhere them do something. You see it, a house, but them do something else. So guys, we are back out the front to the step. Yeah, go back around one more time? Yeah, guys, I understand. Want to go back around one more time? Alright, we'll go back around one more time. This is nice. See the thing here, Kenneth? Go across the arch and you go in another room there. But you see, because I board them they below her, you can see the ledge. Yeah, man, you can walk across it. Man. You see, because of the ledge right, you see the ledge right there, that's why the board they go across, you know.
Yeah, man.
But because I board them below her, that's why, that was a door over there, you know. You see me? Guys, this building is huge, and this is our greatest find because it come right up to roof.
But this can fix back, you know?
This can put on a roof and live in.
Yeah, man, and put in back flooring.
So this, may I give this?
So anybody want to see by?
Guys, because I'm not sure what we're gonna find in the future because we are in that area for a while. So may I give this a 6.5, guys. What do you think? Let me know your vote down in the comment section down below. As to all our finds, let me know what you rate this as. Me give 6.5. Don't tell me yes you agree with my 6.5. Type your vote in the comment section down below and make we know. We'll start do that with all of these buildings we are gonna do around here in Eastern St. Thomas. Alright. Building big, you know, guys. You see how far we still walk on. Building still there. And then there's more. This one step, you know, so you know, it's a whole next compartment up here, so you know, Kenneth. Kenneth, me tell you, walk for the people, them.
That's me the roll, man.
And that me I say, me don't know me a job. Walk for the step and stop walk and jump up on the wall and the people in place, Kenneth. Yeah, man, I step if you walk. That's one more for post, guys. When you see them, Kenneth, you have to check if you cleaned up on them already, is it? Not up on there. But I find a couple of them up an island head. Hold on a man, Kenneth, where you go? Ooh, that man there, sir. Alright. Yeah, guys, this is a huge find. I'm really appreciating this find because it's been a while we have been searching and it's been a while since we really find nothing so big. What this one? So where? What this one? Where I pick? Orange? Okay. Can I pick more orange pips? Come follow my son.
You know, so bad, you know?
Oh, true.
Yeah, I know something to going back down.
And I bring nothing to get the people up here?
Let's get a little rum.
Where do I? Where you get rum?
You walk with a little rum, man.
You're a mad man, you know.
Let's give the ancestors a little rum.
Oh, your ancestors. Fireside.
Fireside.
Shabba mother pot. Guys, I want to show you something before we leave. Now look here, you see how that stone come out right there, sir? Neat. I don't know where it is. I go delete that down there, sir. See that down there, sir? And the first I move on of them stone here, guys. What this make on this? I want to look on that. You catch that? This is what them use. I don't know what. This is some silicon, something, yo. Whole heap of different sediment mixed together. You notice the glisten night? You notice that, Kenneth? Guys, you see this? You notice what it glisten? You see it on camera?
Yeah.
I don't know what them using at this. But them use this as the binder. Like concrete.
Anytime that you say
limestone.
limestone.
Guys, if there's anyone, I'm going to ask again because my ask is already on the show and I did not get a reply. If there's anyone who have any information as to how we can get carbon dating done, let me know. Alright? Because not even carbon dating like we need microbiology and everything. We need to know what compounds make up this solution where them use to bind these stones together. We hear sir, limestone, we hear a lot of things, but then we would like to know if you have facts so that we can give people the facts. Because we don't like to talk about hearsay. This break easy. It's when like concrete.
When it dry over a period of time?
Yeah, I like concrete, but I don't know what I got. I not even eat the orange because I don't know if something poisonous, you see me? So guys, we don't know what. Would I really like to know. You understand? So help me out in the comment section down below. Alright?
Yeah, but if I even anything where then make it after 400 years, it would start decay.
Concrete will start decay too.
So
it's a thing where a thing where coming like concrete, not quite hold it together, but it a decay after a while.
Yeah.
But another decay, you know, it hold it together.
Yeah, but what make it?
What make it? You see me? We need a piece of this thing. So guys, when you get to me and let me know, because I have a piece of this in bag right now. It's send on for carbon dating. Or biological, I don't remember the word. Let me know in the comment section down below still. I want to know compounds make up this. So can it walk up there so can feel like up there so shorter. Left piece of orange to me now.
No, I'm not shorter.
I mean I walk down here so. Alright, so yeah. So guys, downstairs again. You have to come back down here so. Down here nice. You know. So guys, notice how we find the walls when there is no house. You notice this wall guys? Yeah, this is what we look for. Alright? Yeah man. Just a little bit of info right there as to how we find these places and know exactly what we find. So the fact is, I not even forgot through the door. I was gonna go through that door guys, which is the main entrance, not like disrespect people yard, but let's walk through them house and look what I'm going. So Mr. Forsyth. Who was Mr. Forsyth? Oh, that had a step around this up that it came down. Who was Mr. Forsyth? I don't know who was Mr. Forsyth. Really would have loved to know who was Mr. Forsyth because there's no information on this Philip Forsyth or is not his son William Forsyth. You see them? These are them, they're not peeps. Yeah man, afraid of them. Alright guys, so here we're out of the building. Hold on. Yeah guys, that's the building right there. Yeah, because I saw one bamboo in the house now. So my uncle find one pot guys, I'm showing that pot here. What kind of pot that you find?
Look like man in live after a while, you know. Let's say. My virgin used to farm around the man. Rye man, give it to man.
What a bowl. Little flour, little cake soap can stop.
Alright. We can stay till we come back.
No, come back and cooking it. Guys, if you don't want to come back and cooking it, no, I'm not do it because I'm not come back and come cooking it. Maybe bring my one pot if I come and come cook. So I'm not even going to ask a question. Thank you all for watching. It was a pleasure having you here. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to the channel. And also guys, please, if you're not afraid, subscribe to Jampedia. Jampedia is a new Elite Jamaica channel. Jampedia is a channel which we will be uploading, we call it, let me see the best way to put it, Jamaican crime stories. Alright, those are cold case files from within Jamaica. Nobody not do that. Nobody not have them information there. Guys, you know say anything with Elite Jamaica do, like we alone do it in Jamaica, though. So Jampedia will be, you know, me kind of decide what I'm going to put on the channel there. Jampedia will be the channel that has all cold case files from Jamaica. And a lot of criminal files also, because we are going to have the Sandok and the George Pang, all of them things there, them biography. Check out Jampedia, subscribe, get us to 1,000 subscribers, because you know, when I set up PayPal and them thing there, it's not a channel set up for donations. However, we need to know so the channel there are 1,000 subscribers so we can be receiving revenue from the channel for progression of the work. Alright, so it's not about donations and all of that, it's just so that we can get a legal salary from YouTube for these videos. Because it takes a lot to create these videos, guys, so really appreciate when you subscribe to the channel, when you like the video, and when you share the video. Alright, so yeah man, who watched my last video, the green screen video? How much money is enough for a trip to Jamaica? Let me know the feedback on that video. Let me know if you all like that video. And if you don't want to see more of them videos, because Jampedia videos will be all green screen, guys. All green screen, baby. Yeah. So thank you all for watching. It's been a pleasure having you here. Y'all stay blessed.